Hi guys, again, this is Brent with Rexall Solutions. I just wanted to give you a little demonstration on how we clean our products around here. So our equipment. So when we've got stuff that's really sticky, after a good long day of spraying, I like to use a Low VOC Gunwash. It sits in there, take the gun apart, throw it in for about a minute and a half, 2 minutes. Pull it out, give it a good wash and clean. Stuff is excellent, doesn't stink that much. For the more tricky stuff, I like to use the solvent spray from Rexall Solutions that allows me to get into, after a good spray like this, I'm able to take the can, give it a good shake, give it a spray over my Lumine light, grab my paper towel, give it a wipe, and I am good to go. Nice and clean once again. So it's ready to go. So a quick in and out allows me to reach all through the gun in the little tighter spots, and just a quick little solution for guys that are looking for get their guns clean in a pinch. And again, it's a Rexall solvent cleaning solution. And yeah, so I'll let you guys know.